The time I started my internship at Hitachi, I was told that I was the only female and the first ever to work on the ground. Because most females that go there, they are planners, they work maybe like in the office and all that, but I was the first ever to work there in the mechanical section. My name's Thandiwe Banda. I'm 22 years old. I work at Hitachi Construction Machinery Zambia as an artisan mechanic. From the time I was young, my education background, I really wanted to be an accountant, yes. But then my parents wanted me to do medicine, these other medical courses, yeah. And then I met some females who are doing engineering courses. They talked to me about it. They motivated me and inspired me. And I also went and asked my uncle. He also told me to say, no, it's a very nice course. If you just go through it, you can do it. If you do engineering, you're going to have a better advantage being a lady because there are less ladies in the industry. So as soon as you're done, you're going to get employed. And because of that, I got motivated and applied at NOTEC and I was accepted. There are a lot of skills that NOTEC gave me, that NOTEC, yeah. We learned about hydraulic circuit diagrams, how to come up of a hydraulic circuit diagram, how they all move through the cylinders. I also did some electrical stuff. We used to make electrical circuit diagrams, yes. And also, we used to actually disassemble and assemble pumps, hydraulic pumps, yes. So that was to my advantage as well. When I went in the industry, it wasn't really that hard because I disassembled it. At school, I know it was a bit small. So when I went in the industry, I found bigger equipment, yeah, bigger components and stuff. So when I went there, it was just a matter of me adapting to the bigger thing and just comparing the small to the big. But it's the same, but just ours is the size, yeah. What I enjoy the most is when I'm assigned to do something, like maybe build a component. And then I build that component, and then I test it, and then it works. That's very fun, enjoyable, and it's really nice to know to say, okay, I can do this. I'm the one who made this component, and it's working right now. Yeah, I really enjoy that. That's the best part. I would rather be making components throughout. Yes, yeah. You know, challenges are everywhere. Even if you're doing engineering, you can be doing lab tech, nursing, or anything. Challenges will always be there. At first, a number of challenges, I can't lie, in school and outside school. Yeah. Later, in school, I'll give an example. I had friends who would degrade me, my classmates, because I was the only girl in my class, they would degrade me or maybe tell me to say, okay, you know, if this thing is hard, just stop and do some other program. Maybe nursing would fit you and all that. So that would demoralize me not to go forward. And then in the industry, what challenges I'm facing is that when you come up with an idea as a lady, some men won't consider it. Despite the thing, she's a lady, this can work. But when that thing actually works, they'll be like, oh, okay, you can also try, hey. Yeah, those are the challenges I'm facing, but only if they can give me a chance to prove myself to them without them doubting me. Because I don't have to always do something and call somebody to check on it. If only they can allow me to say, okay, you've made this, we won't check on it or go through the talk. We're just going to test it and see if you've really done a good job or not. Yeah, so what I can ask is for them to just trust and be confident in my work. Yeah, those are the challenges that I face. At school, here we used to do a lot of teamwork. Teamwork, yes, but in the industry there's work that requires minimum supervision because your supervisor can be on you throughout the whole working hours, the whole day, So what I've learned in the workplace is to work by myself, to trust my work, and be confident in whatever thing that I'm doing. Yes, at school, you know how school is. Yeah, you'd need a friend to help you to do something. Yeah, they'll put you in groups and pairs, but when you're in the industry, you'll be assigned to do work by yourself. Yeah, so I've learned to be more confident about my work. Because it's not always that my supervisor will be there to tell me to say, this is good, this is bad. I have to know to set myself to say, okay, this, I've done a good job here and I can present this work. Yeah. What I can say to my fellow females out there, those in school and those outside school, engineering is not a bad course for females. It's a very good course. Yeah. And I would encourage them, advise them to study hard, to work hard, because if you keep on relying on other people to do your work, because I know to say if you're led, you're asking guys to write assignments for you, definitely. But if you keep on relying on them, you won't learn anything. If you're willing to do something and you put all your mind, effort, all your potential in whatever you are doing, you definitely do it. It's as simple as writing as well. If you want to study a book, you can study it. If you set your mind to say, I want to study this book. So if you set your mind on school, studying hard, you're going to get good grades, you want to learn something, you can do it. Anyone can do it. And for females out there who are scared to do engineering courses, I'm telling you that it's not hard. It's not hard. Technology has advanced right now, because other workplaces, you don't even have to carry anything heavy. There are cranes and stuff. So don't stop believing in yourselves, work hard. Yeah, what a man can do, everyone can do better. Yeah, anyone can do anything. You just have to commit yourself to it. Yeah.